Okay children, now we will understand that how we have to find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Before starting with the rational numbers, can you tell that how many natural numbers lie between 1 and 5? Yes, we have 2, then 3 and then 4. So these three natural numbers, they lie between 1 and 5. Then how many integers lie between -5 and -2? We have -4, -3. So we have two integers between -5 and -2. So is there any integer between -9 and -10? No, we do not have any integer between them, but that does not mean that there is no number between -9 and -10. We don't have an integer between them, but we have rational numbers between them. Now, if I ask you how many rational numbers are there between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10, I hope you will be able to answer like 4 by 10 is there, 5 by 10 is there, and 6 by 10 is there. So you will answer me that there are three rational numbers between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. Okay children, now can we write 3 by 10 as 30 by 100? Yes, because when we reduce 30 by 100, we cut 110, we get 3 by 10 only. Similarly, we can write 7 by 10 as 70 by 100, right? Now, how many rational numbers lie between them? So we will have 31 by 100, starting from 31 by 100, 32 by 100, and so on up to 69 by 100. So we have so many rational numbers lying between them. So earlier we were thinking that there are only three rational numbers. Now we have seen that there are so many rational numbers. Now also, if I extend this to, just see, if I extend this to, if I change 30 by 100 into, okay, 30 by 100 was 30 by 100. I can write 30 by 100 as 300 by 1000 also. I can increase as many zeros as I want because the basic value remains the same. 300 by 1000 is also same as 3 by 10, and 700 by 1000 is also same as 7 by 10. So how many rational numbers lie between these two? So I'll start from 301 by 1000 to 302 by 1000 and so on up to 699 by 1000. So many. So there is no end to how many rational numbers we can find between any two rational numbers. Right? I repeat, if there are two rational numbers given and we are asked to find the rational numbers between them, there are countless rational numbers that we can find between any two rational numbers. Now, we'll take up an example to see this. So, let us take up first example. First example I'm taking, write any three rational numbers between -2 and 0. Suppose I have to find any three rational numbers between them. Now you'll say that these are integers, but integers are also rational numbers. I can write -2 as this and 0 as 0 by 1, right? A number with no denominator has 1 as denominator, right? They can be written as this. Now I will increase 1 0 in the numerator and in the denominator, and similarly here also. Here I am not increasing, if I increase 0 in the numerator, it will remain 0. So it will be 0 by 10. So I can write -2 as -20 by 10 and 0 can be written as 0 by 10 because 0 by 10 remains 0 and -20 by 10 will remain -2. You just have to take care that the basic value on reducing the number should remain the same. Now we have two numbers. So the numbers we have got are -20 by 10 and 0 by 10. So I have to find 3 rational numbers between them. Now I can easily find the numbers between them. Minus 20, starting from minus 20, if I start going towards 0, I will get minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, and so on up to minus 1 by 10, because minus 1 comes before 0. So starting from minus 19 by 10, I can go up to minus 1 by 10. I have so many rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. So this is how, and you have to write any 3. So from these rational numbers, you can write any 3 rational numbers. So we can see that between 2 given rational numbers, we can find as many rational numbers as we want. One more example. Now, second example I am taking up. Suppose I have to find 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Right? I have to find 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So, before starting with this, the first thing we have to do is to make their denominators same. That means these are unlike numbers and we have to make them like numbers. We have to make their denominators equal. How? What we can do is we can multiply the first number, multiply and divide by 2, and multiply the second number, multiply and divide the second number by 4. Right? So this gives 2 by 8 and this gives 4 by 8. Now their denominators are same. Right? These rational numbers are like, their denominators are same. 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. Now they both have the same denominator. Now we can find, as such we can find just one rational number between them, that is 3 by 8, right? So, but we need to find 10 rational numbers. So what we are going to do, we will add, change 2 by 8 into 20 by 80. We can write it as 20 by 80. And we can write 4 by 8 as 40 by 80. We have added 1 0 at the back, right? 20 by 80 and 40 by 80, the value remains the same. Now, between 20 by 80 and 40 by 80, can we find 10 rational numbers? So, required rational numbers are, you can write any 10 out of between these, starting from 21 by 80, 22 by 80, 23 by 80, and so on. You can write any 10 up to 39 by 80. So this is how we can find as many rational numbers as we want. So this clears one point. So this one point you have to be make sure that you remember that there lies infinitely many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Even if it is 0 and 1, there lies infinitely many rational numbers between them. But 1.1 and 1.2 also. Between these two numbers, there lies infinitely many rational numbers. So you have to remember this point. I hope this concept is clear to all of you.